CS class. Today's class we are going to learn topic as flow of control from chapter 9. This topic is not covered in the previously, so that's why I am going to teach the topic as what? Flow of control. So in this flow of control we should learn what is mean by statement and the types of statements also, and how the statements will execute in the flow of control. So what is mean by statement? The first thing is what is mean by statement? Statements, it is a instruction. Statements are instruction given to the computer to perform any kind of actions like data movements or decision making or repeated actions. So statement means it is a instruction that is provided, that is given to the computer to perform any kind of action. So there are three kind of statements are there. The first one is empty statement, simple statement, compound statement. STMT means it is a statement. Shortly I have written it as a STMT. So empty statement. So Python it has three type of statement. The first statement is what? Empty statement. Empty statement means it is a simple statement. It does nothing. When you execute the statement, it does nothing. That is called as what? Empty statement. In Python, empty statement is what? Pause statement. When you execute this pause statement, it will not do anything. So it does nothing. That is what? Empty statement. That second thing is simple statement. The name itself you know about that. Simple means it is a single statement. For example, n equal to input, enter your name. So you are getting the name from user. I have stored in the variable n. So the next line print n. So this is what? Single statement. Single line statement, it is called as what? Single statement. For example, return, break, continue and return statement. These are simple statement. These are simple statements. So example of simple statement what? Return statement, break statement, continue statement, jump statement. These are the example of simple statement. The next thing is compound statement. Compound statement means group of statements it will execute. Group of statement it will execute. That is called as what? Compound statement. Example, for statement, if statement, while loop statement. That is called as what? Compound statement. How we will write the compound statement? What is the syntax for this? Compound statement header, here you have to write the compound statement end with colon, and with the indentation. With the indentations you can add multiple statement here. You can add multiple statement here, but all the statement have the same indentation level. All the statement have same indentation level. So what is mean by compound statement? It is a group of statement. What is the syntax for writing this? Compound statement header end with colon, and the statement should have indentation. All the statement have the same level of indentation with the compound statement. Can you understand? Okay, the next thing is statement flow control. The next thing is what? Statement flow control. When you are executing the program, the statement can be executed by selection, repeatedly and iteratively. That means the first one is the selection means the process can be executed in a sequence manner. The process can be executed in a sequence manner. The second thing is the process can be executed in the selection manner. The third one is looping. That is also called as iteration. That is also called as what? Iteration. So the flow of control, the first process is sequence control. The first process is called as what? Sequence control. Now we will see how the statement will execute. So the first statement will execute, then it will move to the statement 2, then it will move to the other statement, and it will move to the end of the loop. So the sequence of control, it follows the sequence flow of execution. So that's why it is called as what? Sequence control. So the flow of control can be divided iteration. Sequence means the statements can be executed sequentially. The next one is selection. The next one is selection. Here, selection is a conditional process. That means here one conditional statement is there. If the condition is true, listen now, if the condition is true, the statement will execute. If the condition is false, automatically the control will move to the another statement. Okay. If the condition is true, it will execute the statement 1 and then it will continue the process, execute the statement 2. The control will move to the end of the loop. If the condition is false, it will directly go to the statement 1, next statement 2 and it will exit the loop. So this is called as what? Selection construct. This is called as what? Selection construct and it is also called as decision construct. Selection construct, it is also called as what? Decision construct. Okay? Listen now, the next topic is iteration control. So what does mean by iteration? This process is also called as repetition control. What does mean by repetitions? Listen, this is conditional statement. If the conditional statement is true, it will go to the inner loop of the statement, statement 1 and statement 2. It will execute until the condition made false. It will repeat the process again and again. So this is called as what? That's why this process is called as what? Iteration control or repetition control. So when the condition is false, automatically the control move to the exit loop. So that place is called as what? Exit control statement. So totally this process is called as what? Iteration control or repetition control. For example, you are making a chapati. Yes, if you want to make chapati, rolled chapati means you want to turn off the chapati 2 or 3 times. Yes, once the chapati is ready, you have to switch off the stove. So this until the process gets over, you want to repeat the process again and again. Yes, so that process called as what? Iteration control or repetition control. So the statement of flow control can be executed in 3 ways. The first one is sequence. Sequence means the statement executed in the sequence wise, like statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. The next thing is selection. So the selection is also called as decision construct. The selection statement is also called as what? Decision construct. If the condition is true, the true statement will execute. If the condition is false, another false statement will execute. So this process is called as what? Decision construct or selection construct. The third process is what? Iteration or repetition control. Once the condition is true, it will execute the loop until the condition made false. If the condition is false, it will exit the loop. So these are the ways to execute the statement, the flow of control of your program. Okay. So what does mean by statement? Statement means it is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform some actions. Actions may be data movement, decision making or repetitions. There are 3 kinds of statements: empty statement, simple statement, compound statement. Empty statement means it does nothing. The statement cannot do any values. For example, past statement, it is a null operation. The next simple statement means it is a single statement. For example, return statement, break statement, continue statement. These statements is called as what? Simple statement. Compound statement means group of statements. Compound statement means we can use group of statement, that is called as what? Compound statement. Compound statement, how you will write this? You can end compound statement header, end with colon. You can create multiple compound statement with the same indentation level. Indentation should be present in that compound statement. The next thing is what? Flow of control. You can execute the statement in flow of control is first one is sequence, second one is selection, the third one is iterations. Okay students, next we will see in the next class. Thank you students.